What's going on, YouTube? Slick Camaro here with another video, and I know y'all see me with the same outfit like I had on my last video, but I'm actually recording this in the same day, so please don't judge me. But today what we're doing is I'm headed to Nashville to Crazytown Customs to get my front bumper paint corrected, because when I got my American Authority bumper painted at a local shop out here, they basically messed my paint job up. You know, it's different type of, you know, wet spots, overspray on my front bumper. It's actually pretty bad. You know, I try not to focus too much on that when I'm taking pictures, but I'm headed up to Nashville to see my guy Scat Pat K. I'm going to leave his Instagram in the link below, and he's basically going to get this fixed for me. He's going to give me a full wax job. He's going to paint correct my front bumper, and you know, he's going to have me right. So I'm excited to get this done. I'm tired of driving around with my, you know, bumper messed up. So I'm going to get that fixed right now. So with that being said, I'm going to do a time-lapse video up to the shop, and you know, we can go from there. Where y'all located at?
102 Space Park South, Nashville, Tennessee.
Nashville, Tennessee, Crazytown Customs.
Specialize in air ride, lift, lighting, everything. If you think it, we can do it.
So basically what we're doing is, when I got my bumper painted, they kind of messed up the paint. As y'all can see, it got scuff marks, it's not buffed out, they just fucked it all up. And it's like that on the other side of the bumper as well. I don't know how good this camera picking it up, but it kind of looked like hazy, that hazy look. He basically gonna get it out for me. He gonna buff this all out so it can look like it's the factory paint from GM. All right, so I got my boy KK with me. If y'all want to get your car detailed, if y'all want to get it clean, anything that comes with detailing the car, from a basic watch to ceramic coat, this is the guy you want to go to. I'm gonna leave his information in the link below. Like I said, he's gonna try to get this stuff out for me. I don't know if he can do it or not.
Get out of here.
We gotta see. He already washed it for me, got my tire letters looking brand new. I gotta put some more glue on this part right here to get it back. But I recommend this man 100% to anybody. I'm telling you. What's going on? How you doing?
How you doing, young lad? Doing But I'm gonna eventually take another wire and run it up and hook it up to this light right here.
Oh, that shit hard, bro.
Yeah, that shit look good as fuck at night.
What's the name of these?
They just LED diffuser reflectors. That shit look dumb good at night, bro. That's what I'm saying. I ain't gonna lie, it sucked taking that diffuser off, but it's.
Oh, you had to take the diffuser off to put it on?
Yeah. Cause it's a screw. Just hold these in. It's another clip to hold it in, and then you gotta run the wire. It wasn't that bad, but it was bad enough.
Like just to get that diffuser off, huh? Everybody said that diffuser hard to take off.
Unless you just take the whole bumper off.
Shout out your Instagram, bro.
Firestorm SS. Got a 2010
Where you at?
Chevy Camaro right over here. I ain't got too much done to it right now. But aftermarket hood on it, you know, louvers on the back, wicker bill, Z28 spoiler. Got a stage 3, BTR cam, long tube headers. Well, not too much, you know. Trying to keep up with my man Slick.
Nah.
You know. Hey, it's dirty right now though. It usually look better than this, but it's filthy right now. It's filthy.
Take me to the whip, man. Take me to the whip.
It's just Reaper 615. Ain't nothing better than them 6 gens. Slick know all about it. American Authority splitter. Got the American Authority valence diffuser. Got the Catback Corsa Extreme exhaust. You know, I just put the Texas Speed long tube headers on there. Skid Marker Garage. It's about the E85 flex fuel kit for that. Got my appointment set up with GPI.
Okay.
Be getting tuned sometime this week in January.
So we about to do a loud car challenge right now. I got my boy right here. Got Eric. And I got Sean over there, the white 5th gen, orange 5th gen. What color this is, bro? I don't even know.
Nightfall gray.
Nightfall gray 6th gen. About to see which one got the loudest exhaust.
They got cams. Just gotta specify.
You say what?
They got cams.
You ready, E?
Yeah.
All right.
Step off to the side.
Yeah, he gonna turn his on first.
That shit popped up, bro. I think this whole work.
Yeah, go ahead.
All right, 122.4.
122.4.
Pause on y'all ass.
Are you ready to swing?
I'm ready, bro. Let's do it.
I don't know this whole accurate. He said he the highest one though. 122.6.
Shit, bro.
122.6. Damn.
What you got?
123.4.
123.4. All right, so y'all drop in the comments below who y'all think got the loudest exhaust. I know which one got the loudest. We all know, but I want to see what y'all think. Who got the loudest exhaust? That's my boy right here, man. Shout out to Instagram, man.
Super Sport Project. Hey, and for all you Venom SS, you know what I'm saying?
We gonna cut that out.
We gonna do away with that space part though.
Right over there.
Where?
I'm about to
Okay, so there we have it, y'all. I recorded that entire video with my GoPro. I am now using my new vlogging camera. It just came in the mail today. So from now on, this is how all of my videos are going to look. With that being said, I'm going to do a quick walk around of the car so you can see exactly how clean the car is, and then we can end the video like that. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the channel, turn on that notification bell so you can be notified every single time that I drop a video. And like always, y'all have a great day.